Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete transactions history on PayPal. Let's get started. When you log into your PayPal account and go to the Activity tab, you'll see a list of all your transactions. However, there is no option to delete individual transactions. PayPal does not allow you to erase your transaction history due to security reasons, legal and financial record keeping, buyer and seller disputes protection. What you can do is cancel pending transactions. If a transaction is still pending, you may see a cancel button. Click it to stop the transaction before it completes. If you absolutely want to remove your history, withdraw your balance, unlink your bank and cards, then go to Settings, Account, then Close Account. Keep in mind that this deletes your entire account, not just the history. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.